What's going on, guys? Definitely got to get used to this new system. I went from a lay and play setup to this setup now that can hop and three-wheel and all that kind of stuff. So um, I definitely need to work on the on my switch skills, man, because I burned up the front pump super quick yesterday. So what we got right here is the motor for I'm sorry, I didn't burn up the front pump, burned up the motor. But so what we got here is the motor for the front pump right here. Got it taken out and getting ready to install the new one. Luckily, when I ordered these motors from Hoppo's a long time ago, I ordered some extras as backups, like just in case. So got some brand new ones. I think I ordered like 3 total, so I got 2 more in the house now. So brand new chrome motor there. I want to say I had nah, I guess not. Had some more stuff with it. It might be in the other boxes, but so I'm gonna put this motor on here, replacing this one here. But just wanted to show you guys. I know you guys can't smell it, but trust me, this bad boy is burnt the F up. It's not happy. So we got a lot going on right now. This thing smells super toasty. Super toasty. But yeah. Now the good thing is these are rebuildable, so it's not end of the world. If you're mechanically inclined and you know how to do all this stuff, it is very rebuildable. But I don't know how well you can see inside here, but if you look inside, you can see all the fun stuff that gave up during the shoot yesterday. So it smells really bad, but that was my fault. I didn't practice. I didn't have any time to hone my skills on the new setup here before going out there for this video. So totally my fault on that one, but I'm glad I got these extras ordered. So I'm gonna get some more because Woodward's coming up and I plan on just going crazy at Woodward. So yeah, let's put this new motor in and test it out. I should have tried hitting the switch for you guys before I pulled this out so you can hear it just clicking. Let's get this new motor out and I'm just gonna lay it on here. Have to be careful, I don't want to drop it on the car. Okay, so here's the new motor. Take this off. I got that off. But so these are just street motors I'm using from Hoppo's. They're not competition motors or anything like that. Just street motors. So we got number 9s on the outsides and number 11 in the middle for the front pump. So 2 pumps for the rear and 1 for the front. Let's go ahead and put this new one on and see what it does. You can actually see on this side here where definitely was getting some heat. One thing I definitely want to make sure is, yeah, that's nice and straight. No broken teeth. Okay, so yeah, we're good there. It's just dirty. So All right. I'll put this new motor on. It's hard to get a grip on here. My fingers are greasy from all the oil. All right, cool. Okay. All right, let me get this camera set up, guys. Hold on one second. Okay, guys, so one of the best parts about the lowrider hydraulic pumps is motor swaps, motor replacement. It looks intimidating, but it's not. You're not taking apart the whole pump assembly. It's just literally 2 bolts that hold that motor on, and they run through the motor right here. So I'll pull this one out. So this burnt up bolt, you see here, this motor is shot, man, but this burnt up bolt just slides all the way through, comes out here. Here's the other one, and then on the other side of the block you have your 2 holes where you thread those bolts into. So let me place the camera in a spot where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, you should be able to see me there. I hope you can. Not sure if you guys can see this or not, but the new motor has nuts on the bolts to keep it from coming apart during, just transit or handling and stuff. It keeps it all together. So I'm going to pull these 2 nuts out real quick. Okay. A little tricky trying to do this with oily hands. Okay, so got the front motor back on, electrical back on there. This green cable here is power going to the motor. That's back on. Now That's all I disconnected actually. So we're good. I'm gonna connect the quick disconnect here. Okay. Let's get the camera. All right, so we're gonna do a quick little test hit to make sure we got movement up front. Let me get this old stuff out the way. Nut and washer. All right, so we got everything connected on the front pump. Got the 2 bolts running back into the block to secure the motor to the pump assembly. Got the power ran to it, and we connected our quick disconnect. So we're back on track there. All we got to do now is test it out, make sure we're good. If we get lift in the front, we're good. If we don't get lift in the front, we got something else to look into. So fingers crossed. Let's check this out. See what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got movement. We got movement. So I did notice the front. It's going up on the driver's side. Let's pop the hood. Make sure we're okay. Okay, so I'm not liking this. Yeah, that's a little better. Not liking how this hose was kind of having some resistance there. I'm gonna keep that free flowing as possible. So at this point, I'm thinking, hoping what we have is some air in the line on the passenger side, because with the passenger side, there seems to be a delay when it goes up. Driver side goes up quick, passenger side kind of follows it. So we'll try it again. Yeah, driver side. Okay.